Hello everyone, today we will be making a watermelon and yogurt smoothie. So let's start with the ingredients. Here we have 2 cups of watermelon chunks. Here we have 1 cup of yogurt. We have about 1/4 of a cup of fresh mint, about 6 ice cubes, and we're going to take 1 tablespoon of everything. So let's get all of our ingredients into our blender. So I've mixed some watermelon and yogurt in this. Now we will be adding our ice cubes. And about just a regular size or a tablespoon of honey. If you want, you can add some sugar, but I like honey. Now after we've gotten all the ingredients in, we will be grinding this. Now, just pour this into a glass. Now we will be tossing it. And there is your watermelon and yogurt smoothie.